highlighting. And I'm going to use two different colors. So for weight, I'm going to use yellow. And for mass, I'm going to use blue. And I'm going to try to break down what's being said according to if it's talking about mass or if it's talking about weight. Okay? Okay, so the force of gravity is the force with which Earth, Moon, or other massively large objects attract another object towards itself. All objects upon Earth experience the force of gravity, which is directed downward towards the center of the Earth. Force on gravity is always equal to the weight of an object as found by this equation. Okay, I'm just going to highlight this. Oops. So Fg, which is something that we've been using this whole time, is actually equal to m, where m means mass, and g, where g is the gravity constant for Earth. Okay? And I say gravity constant for Earth because the gravity constant for any large planetary body is always going to be linked to how massive that object is. So our gravity constant is negative 9.8. It's negative because all downward motion in physics we describe as negative motion, okay? The important bit here that we're saying, this is again very, very, very important, weight equals gravity force. Okay, weight equals gravity force, and we want to underline that, put a bow on it, something we need to absolutely just internalize this idea. Okay. All right, so let's go down to this paragraph. And again, I'm just going to kind of switch back and forth with highlighting with with blue and yellow, according to if it's talking about mass or weight. Okay. All right, so the force of gravity acting upon an object is sometimes referred to the weight of an object. Okay, and that's something that I've already highlighted above, so I'm not going to worry about highlighting it here. Many students of physics confuse weight with mass. And I think the reason we do this is because colloquially speaking, we use these words the same. Okay, they are not the same though. In any science, they are not the same. So the mass of an object refers to the amount of matter that makes up the object. Okay, so mass is literally, you can just kind of put this off to the side. Oops. Oh my goodness. Mass equals how much matter is in an object. And then weight is just equal to Fg. Oops. Undo. Okay, so just to really, again, really try to make this as just kind of clear as possible. Let me go back to markup. Okay, again, the weight of an object is the force of gravity that acts upon that object. So mass is related to how much stuff there is, and weight, did those in the wrong color. Weight is related to the pull of Earth or any other planet on that stuff. Okay. Also, mass is measured in kilograms and will be the same no matter where an object is located. Weight, on the other hand, is measured in newtons and will vary according to where an object is. Okay? So if I'm on Mars, I'm going to weigh different than if I was on Earth. I'm going to weigh different on the moon. I'm going to weigh different on all of these depending on what my mass is related to what the gravity constant of that specific planet or object is. Okay?